Hello, I'm going to compare MiloNote versus Evernote versus Notion. So MiloNote, Evernote, and Notion are popular productivity apps designed to help users capture ideas, organize projects, and manage workflows with varying emphasis on visual structure and collaboration. Pros: MiloNote, ideal for visual thinkers, great for mood boards and mind maps and creative planning. Evernote, reliable note-taking with strong search, tagging, and web clipping capabilities. Notion, all-in-one workspace combining doc, databases, wikis, and task management with powerful customization. Cons: MiloNote, limited offline access and weaker for task-based or structured workflows. Evernote, less modern interface and limited flexibility compared to newer tools. Notion can have a steep learning curve and performance lag with large databases. In conclusion, choose MiloNote for visual creativity, Evernote for straightforward note organization, and Notion for an all-encompassing productivity ecosystem tailored to structured and collaborative work.